How to merge videos on TikTok. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, launch the TikTok application on your device and make sure that you're logged into your account on TikTok. So after logging into your account, make sure that you have stable Wi-Fi connection as well on your device. Now if you want to merge videos on TikTok, what you can simply do is tap on the plus icon at the bottom of the screen. So tap on the plus icon and this will help us to either click a video, click a picture, or you can just simply import it from your gallery. So you can simply tap on the plus icon and you'll be able to see the gallery icon. So since we are going to merge videos, we're going to import it from the gallery. So let's tap on this gallery section. And here we're going to tap on the videos option and let me just select randomly any 2 to 3 videos over here. So let's select on the videos and then tap on next. So as you select multiple videos at a time, you'll be able to merge the videos and combine it as well. So you can simply edit it and tap on next. You can make editing over here by tapping on any option over here at the right side of the screen, and that's how you can combine multiple TikTok videos. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.